Hi friends, welcome to Civil Cube. Today we will see how to create a tapered column, using PEB component. In Component Catalog, search PEB, then select PEB section S94. In Picture tab give the depth value. In Box 1, type 300 and Box 2, type 600. This picture represent the depth variation of web. Another picture shows total column depth including flanges. Here we select the web variation. Next in a Part tab, we provide thickness of web as 5 mm, thickness of flange as 8 mm, and width of the flange as 180 mm. Next give the part position number for web as W1, and part position number for flanges are FL1. Next select the material for web and flanges, as steel IS 2062. Next give the name to web and flange parts. Then click Modify and Apply, click OK. Pick the first point, then second point of the column. Now the PEB tapered column has been created. Similarly, to create another side, pick first point, then pick the second point. Here the column direction on the right side of the grid line, but we need it on left side. Double-click the column, in Picture tab select the column orientation. Then click Modify and Apply, click OK. Now the column direction changed.
So this is a method to create PEB tapered column by using components. In next video we will see how to create base plate for PEB tapered column. Thank you.